What is up, guys, and welcome back. I know it has been quite some time since my last video, but I am looking to get back into the swing of things over here on YouTube, and I would really like to see your guys' support on this video, so make sure you guys do drop a like and subscribe as always. But getting back into this YouTube channel, I want to let you guys know that I'm going to step away from making every single day videos and instead go to a video format of around 2 to 3 videos per week. Try and get those videos at a higher quality and give you guys some more time to understand what I'm talking about in these videos and my thesis behind the stocks that I am choosing. But let's go ahead and jump right into this video where we're going to be talking about my portfolio. I'm going to have a portfolio update coming out this Sunday, but I do want to show you guys a little bit about how my portfolio has been performing since I have stepped away from YouTube, what we're looking at and what we're holding. So let's go ahead and jump right into that. All right, guys, and before we go ahead and jump into our portfolio here, I do want to let you guys know that we have our free Discord linked in the description down below. You guys can go ahead and join up for free today. Check out everything that Premium offers, our Premium wins, Premium reviews, and our free charts that we offer over there. There's a lot of great value over there, so make sure you guys do click the link in the description down below and join up for free today. Now, jumping into our portfolio here, you can see that we're currently sitting at around $48,000, up almost $1,500 on the day for around 3% gain in my account. Also, looking at the weekly here, you can see that we are up around $5,200 for around 12% of my account. So a really good week here. And it gets even better going over to our month here where we are up around $17,000 for around 55% gain in my portfolio. This is one of the better months I've seen, and this is really nice coming off of those lows that we saw in April. But looking at the year to date here, we're creeping back up towards all-time highs that were up around $50,000. We did see quite a big drawdown after those tariffs were announced, as did most portfolios, where we were down around 26% at one point, down around $10,000 on the year. But that didn't scare me. I kept buying. As I suggested in the Discord, I said keep buying these companies that have good valuations, that are undervalued, and have good metrics moving forward. Obviously, these foundational companies with good metrics are going to recover as they always do. And you guys can see that a sharp recovery up around 55% in 1 month. That is absolutely crazy and obviously severely outpacing the S&P 500, which is still currently red on the year, where I am up around 25% year to date for around a $10,000 gain. So I'm very happy with how the portfolio has been doing. But let's go ahead and take a quick look at some of our holdings, where we do have VUG. I did start a position in both Google and AMD. I have a small position in both, around 10 shares of Google and 15 shares of AMD. I like the way that these companies are running, and these are some of those big companies that I want in my portfolio just to kind of stabilize everything, because I know those are going to follow the market, but sometimes outperform the market. Especially with AMD here, I expect a strong outperformance in the next few years, as we have seen this company get sold off for some odd reason, even though those numbers are growing. Also looking at our big holdings here, we have HIMS, Hood, ASTS, and Oscar. Now, look at HIMS here, boys. This company is up 100%. I'm up 109% for around $8,270 gain, and this has come in the last month, with HIMS being up around 131% in just the last month alone. Obviously, this is a great gain, and I do not expect this to stop anytime soon. This company has been an absolute workhorse for my portfolio, and I love this company very dearly. Now, I don't want to cover every single stock on my portfolio because I want to make a separate video going over this in the next few days. But I do want to go ahead and show you guys what my Oscar position is looking like, as this is my top holding right now. This is the holding that I have the most confidence in, and I expect this company to really rally over the next few years, probably seeing something close to around a 200 to 400% return, and I'm quite confident in that, guys. Don't really say that often, so this is one that I'm very confident on. Everyone should be holding this. I've been talking about this in the Discord for months now, and we can see in the last month we're up around 41%, up from lows at around $11.28, up to around $17.27 where we currently sit. Now, I do have around 600 shares of Oscar for a market value of around $10,366. We're up around $1,500 on this position, but guys, I do not expect this to stop anytime soon. I expect this name to see 50s to 60s by the end of next year. Obviously, that is forecasting out a little bit of time, but when you guys are looking at a 300 to 400% return, guys, that is no time at all. I will sit back and watch this thing for the next 18 months, watch it run another 200%, and I will watch this number down here at the bottom where it says total return go up to 5 figures, and I'm going to be very happy to see that. So I do want to go ahead and jump into my retirement account real quick. This is my Roth IRA, where we're currently sitting at around $7,732. On the week, we're up around $800 for around a 10% return. And on the month, we're up around 18% for around a $1,100 return. So I really like the way that things are shipping up here. I do own a lot of Dutch Bros here, around 44 shares. We're back to break even. I got a pretty unfortunate buy on this thing right before those tariffs came out. So I went ahead and DCA'd into that. Same with VUG, SCHD. And then I did start a pretty nice position in NVIDIA. Now, this position has been doing very well for me. I'm up around $425 or around 22%, guys, in just about a week and a half or so. So this has been a really, really nice addition to the portfolio. And I like the way that this is shipping up. Also, guys, going back into Oscar, I have a call here. This is one of my favorite things right here. I think that this call is really going to help out my retirement account. This is a Oscar $20 call for January 16th of 2026. We're currently only up around $13 right here. But if we can go ahead and forecast out what I am expecting to probably hit by the end of this year, I'm going to say a calm $45 target, guys. That is a 800% return and around a $2,300 return on this single call option alone. I do want to add more to this if we do see a good dip, but I do expect this to absolutely pay in the future. And like I said, I expect this name to get to around $40 to $45 by the end of this year, and then something around $55 to $65 to $70 maybe by next year if earnings can continue to stack and we see a lot of good growth to continue out of this company. All right, guys, and that is going to go ahead and wrap up the video. As always, make sure you guys do like and subscribe. Click that link in the description down below to join up on our free Discord. And make sure you guys stay tuned because I'm going to be coming out with a lot higher quality videos in the future and hopefully have a lot more in-depth breakdowns for you guys coming very, very soon. And I will see you guys in the next one.